Dominoes are a great tool for teaching addition, and in this video, I'm going to show you how. You can go to the dollar store and get some dominoes, or find them at Walmart or another store pretty inexpensively. And they are a great tool for teaching addition. It doesn't matter what kind of set of dominoes that you find, just any that have the dots that children can clearly see. So here we have, this set is just a colorful, kind of a heavy duty colorful set. So take a look right here. What we're going to do is we're just going to have the child copy down what they see on the domino. So it works best if you have a marker, because markers you can just use almost for stamping. You can just make a quick dot. So let's make one dot here, and then we're going to make 4 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so here we have 1 dot plus 4 dots, and then I always tell the child, now count all the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 plus 4 equals 5. All right, let's continue. So here we have 3 dots on this side and 3 on this side. So we're going to just copy down that dot pattern. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots here, 3 dots here equals how many dots total? I always say count all the dots. 1, 2, 3, keep going. 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. And they can see that adding is really just a matter of counting. It's easy. All right, let's try this one. Here we have 4 and 3. So let's copy the dots. 4 dot, 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 dot. See how the marker makes it so much easier? And then 3. 4 dots over here plus 3 dots equals how many dots total? So then they count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This one has 2 dots here and 6 over here. So 1, 2, and then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 dots plus 6 equals how many? What is 2 plus 6? 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Here we have 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 5 equals what? Nine. I give the child a chance to count up all the dots. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Let's do one more just to give you an idea of how awesome this is as a tool for teaching addition. 5 over here, 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5, and they can count all the dots, and they can see that the answer is 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now, some sets of dominoes have lots of numbers, so you can see that this is even great for adding really higher numbers. And for example, these two are really a lot bigger numbers. So hopefully this will give you some ideas for teaching addition using dominoes. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share, and be sure to stay tuned for more learning videos.